Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. If you like this one, add it to your cart now. Check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This thing is heavy. Sure was. Now we're about to find out what's inside. And if you guys like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. So here we go. We got back to school coming, or actually Labor Day coming up. Then back to school. And then Santa Claus will be here. Time. So you might want to start thinking now what to start to get somebody. Maybe a gift to yourself. Oh, that's why it's heavy. Okay. Oh boy. This is going to be a long one. This is coming from YooBure. Oh. I didn't think it was going to be shipped like this, but... Oh, God. Oh, boy. We got boxes on boxes. So it's a two-part. Oh, boy. It shows my info. So is that. Here we go. And this looks like a table stand. So we're going to put this together. And we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, here it is. All hooked up. Got the power going. And now you can look inside. Whoa. Sorry about that. Looks really nice. Good depth for the drawer. Easy to hook up. There's a USB, two of them. You get the power, the two plugs. I'll show you about that right now. Here we go. So you can plug, cell phone things. And then should be charged. Right. There we go. So that's charging. Then you can have your two USBs, tablet or your iPhone or Android, either or. But it looks really nice. Tons of room for stuff, pictures and whatnot. So definitely check them out. YooBure. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.